If you're searching for a company that provides floor leveling in the Charlotte area, you've probably found a few names in your search. Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when searching for a dependable, reputable company to work on your home. That's why we wanted to tell you about some of the floor leveling companies in Charlotte. Yes, we know that these companies are our competition, so why would we mention them? We take pride in being open and transparent with our services and our pricing, and we want our customers to be as informed as possible when making a decision about their home. We want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your floor leveling services. So let's take a look at some of the other companies out there. First up is DryPro. DryPro has been in business since 1999. They were acquired in 2021 by a private equity group named Groundworks. They're a $600 million company that owns more than 20 locations. DryPro is fully licensed and insured and are based out of Virginia. At the time of sale, DryPro had around 120 employees. They are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, and in 2022, they received the Angie Super Service Award. They have a reputation for excellent customer service and quality work that they stand behind. Next is Cantey Foundation Specialists. Cantey Foundation Specialists is based out of Camden, South Carolina, and they have locations across South Carolina and Georgia and in the greater Charlotte area. They're A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 17 Google reviews with an average of 4.7. They provide quality work and have been in business since 2011. Sedona Waterproofing also offers floor leveling in the Charlotte area. Sedona Waterproofing was founded in 2016 and is based out of Concord, North Carolina. They're A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 122 5-star Google reviews. If you're looking for a floor leveling service in the Charlotte, North Carolina region, check out these companies. They are all reputable companies that will do a good job on your floor leveling. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like to schedule a complimentary consultation with HydroHelp911, feel free to call or text us at 704-813-9554, or you can fill out a form on our website. Have a great day.